I pour my coffee and I finally make it my way. For the first time I'm okay with being lonely. I make it through the whole day without saying your name. Some days, sometimes I stay distracted from the fact that you're not still mine. I talk to people I don't know and stay out all night. I convince myself that I'm having the best time, but sometimes it comes rushing back, and it gets so bad that I want you back, and I can't shake it. Some days